this is a demo of touch typing on a Steam controller. The idea is that typing on a Steam controller kind of sucks right now, and wouldn't it be great if there was some sort of technology like Swipe for Android for our Steam controllers, where if we know how to do touch typing on a regular keyboard, we could also, touch type on our Steam controllers without too much of a problem. Oh my gosh, that I didn't actually mean to type that. That's fun. This sort of technology is not new. This is some really simple stuff, and the idea is that each press on your touchpad here, let me get some presses. Each press on your touchpad here, instead of mapping to a single key on the keyboard, um, it maps to a bunch of keys on the keyboard. So given that the users, press the controller 5 or 6 times, what the computer does is it just looks through a dictionary, and it's got to have a dictionary for this. It looks through a dictionary, and given some sort of model of presses on the keyboard to probabilities of each letter, it simply chooses the word with the highest probability of being pressed. And there's a lot of different ways to do this, but I've just implemented one really simple one right now. It's just taking words with no numbers, no letters, no symbols, from Bram Stoker's Dracula, or Bram Stoker, Bram Stoker's Dracula. I mean, I'm not actually a literary person. That was just the book I chose. Um, and and yeah, you get what you see here. So I'm going to type rocks, and like you see that I'm typing with my thumbs like I would type on a regular keyboard, and so it's pretty easy to say sort of things. There's a lot of mistakes it makes, like I've found it's difficult to distinguish between test, tear, where. Yeah, there we go. There's where, rest, like it's east. Okay, there's a lot of words that are difficult to distinguish between, but I just have a feeling that if somebody that's familiar with this sort of like technology tried to do this on a Steam controller, it'd work. My attempts at it, like I've never done something like this before, so I coded it up on my touchpad and coded it up on my Steam controller, and to me, honestly, it seems to work pretty well. Let's type monster. For some reason, there's the word computer in Dracula somewhere. I don't know if that's just in like the front or the back of the book or something, but I can type computer. Any word I type here needs to be in the dictionary. Anyhow, let's get some other things that might be in the book. So I typed carriage. Marriage is one. Lizard is one I've used before. Blood. Book. Oh, we just saw a book. Oh, whoops. Guess I screwed that one up. Anyhow, I just think that this would be a. Let's try dragon. Nah, that's not a dragon. Anyhow, I think this would just be like a good addition for the Steam controller.